جوهر إنقاب بجت مالف إنقاب بني نمجي سجل سنجده مالف سجل سنجده أتي مو مال دي بيفتف
نمجي سجل سقافة مال جت أنا كواني بيك نمون دار كسجا مال جدان كوان كوچان جيني سرين جين كوچا وان جيني بيتني بيني سول بيت
gaaffii lamatuun qaba. Gaafittii sana tun hin jedhini Jawaar innati amma critical analysis sanatti nutti himte waa'ee biyya keenya jiru dhibbaaf dhibbatti dhugaadha. Diasporaan addana jiru hin beekna wanta biyya keessa ta'aa jiru. Haa ta'u malee akkamitti as geenyee isa jedhu sana of gaafanne malee calloo inni addana jiru nagaa barbaanne inni eessayyuu ga'uu hin dandeenye. Akkamitti as geenye barree isaaf akkamittiin solution argama jennedha. I really love to have 30 minutes or whatever anytime you are less busy before you leave this country to have a chat with you. Isa jedhee ka'ee gaaffii lama sii qaba. Inni tokko position adda addaa fudhatteetta. Very normal for a young politician. I hope I'm correct in my statement. Isa keessaati which one do you really regret and which you did not? Lammaffaan ani sii qabu. How much of the position you take is supported by precedents or facts and figures as opposed to what you really think? As a political scientist, I would expect you to make your judgment based on the first two criteria, but how much of that is actually happening in reality? Galato.
Thank you, Dr. Baharu.
Ifama, ani daqiiqa lamaad isin keessatti dhaabadhu. Microphone marka fudhadhaa malee duraan dursee ilma keenya siin jedhaa turre ani immoo amma ka jedhu ilma sabaa siin jedha ka Muhammadii miti ilma sabaa sablammootaati ilma ummataati ilma Itoophiyaati akkasiin si waamna amma achi nuti namni siyaasatti seenu in huqqata hin dhibama in rakkata hirriban qabu nuti warri har'a rifeensaatii kuni waggaa 60 hidhaa jirra waan biraan beeynu gaafa Jeneraal Mangistuun mootummaa nugusaa kuffisuuf yaale sani salfii goone mana barumsa jirra maa salfii gootaniif ji'a lama hidhamne hagarraa rakkoo san keessuma jirra keessaan baane kanaafuyyuu amma itti dabalee ka jechuu barbaadu warri waan kana qopheessitan waa tokko har'a na gammachiiftani maali ummata keenya ka saba biraa ka sabootaaf sablammootaa waamtanii dubbisuu keessaniin galata guddaa qabdan isinillee warri dhuftanii waan jiru waan haqaa waan dhugaa tokko dubbattaniif galatoomaa isinii jechuu barbaada. Ummanni Oromoo olaantummallee barbaadu gadaantummallee barbaadu akka namaatti namaa wajjin buluu barbaada. Yaanni isaa kana gaafa qabsatu seennu rifeensi keenya ka dabbasaa kuni gurraacha cululqaa nuugii fakkaatu. Asillee irra dhufte gaafa jalqabdu akkas jirta. Waggaa 8-10 keessatti kun hunda dhaqqabaa jirta. Kanaafuyyuu jabaadhu jechuu barbaada. Karaa biraatiin jeedalatu jaldeessan bosona keessa argan. Jaldeessa jetteen maali ati madaa kanan fayyitu bosonti martaa joofte duubni kee kun madaa maan fayyinee jettee gaafatte dhugaa keeti madaa qaba haakimii madaqaa ogeessa mara biree madaqaa ka madaa kiyya bal'isu malee kana fayyisuun agarree jetteen urga gaafa qawween gabrummaan harqoonni gabrummaan irratti fe'ame haga har'aa kamadaa keenya bal'isu malee kamadaa keenya fayyisuun agarre. gaafa mootummaa Haayile Sillaasellee waan ta'e nuti kennaa hin beeyna. Gaafa dargilee nuti taphataa baate, nuti fincaayaa baate, waan isiin nu goote hin beeyna. Dhengaddalee warri karaa gadhiise, hannummaa, saaminsa, roorroo, ajjeechallee dabalee waa hedduu nu godhe jechuudha. Kar'aa kun hoo warra Amaarattumaa jedha afaan Amaaratiin tishaalin fatichee tibisin agabbaa jedhan. Isii sanamatti haa dhiifnu. Isii sanamatti haa dhiifnu. Isii sanamatti haa dhiifnu. Ammaan garuu wanni jechuu barbaade Jawhar hin gaabbu jette. Maaliif hin gaabbine? Hin gaabbuun kun waa hedduu qaba, hiikkaa qoltu qaba. Maaliif hin gaabbine jette isii bichaa naa himi takka. Lammata. Adurreetu mana keessa warra manaatti ijaba baafti. Hin deemessiti. Adurreentu maa ijaba baafti jedhaniin. Maal olti maa ijaba baafti? Maal abdatti jennaan? Bara eessumatu bosona jiraa jedhaniin. Eessuma keessan eessumoota keessa kan dhugaa kanaa miti. Eessuman akka adurree san qabda. Akka. Lammaffaa. Yeroon keessa jirru yeroo kijibaati. Yeroo dharaati. Yeroo sharriiti. Har'a kijibni qawwee injifate. Propagandaan madaafa injifate. Kijiba mannuu dadhabne. Kam ajabna. Ati bakka hedduu jirtu siin jedhan. Faannooliin jirtu siin jedhan. Hewaatoliin jirtu siin jedhan. Eenyu waliin jirta. Eenyu taatee deemaa jirta. Kafaa'oo taatee deemaa jirta moo? Kuma akka deemaa jirta. Makmaasa jira beeyta. Adda deeman loxee ta'anii. Adda nyaatan dhosee ta'anii jedhan. Kanallee nu ibsiiti. Gara kaaniin wanni sitti dhaamadhu. Waa hedduu hojjatte hin beeyna. Akka ra'aa kanan dulloomne. Dura akka dhagayetti miidirraa dhagaye. Namni ajjeesuuf si waame jedhan. Baqa ajjeechaa san jalaa baate. Namichi si jeesisiin jedhe. Maaliif si jeesisiin jedhe? Ati immoo maal deebifteef? Achirratti haa dhaabannu. Karaa biraatiin haga ammaa wanni hojjette walaafa miti. Maali yoo jette? Dhaloota irraa keessaa namni sadii galata qaba seenaa duratti. Abbootiin keenya, hiriyoonni keenya dhiiga isaanii gabbaran. Lubbuu isaanii kennan. Aarsaa ta'ani. Atarroomna kee kennaa jirta. Lubbuu kee kennaa jirta atillee. Kanaafiyyuu wanni jechuu barbaade kaleessa asuma teetteetiniin miidiyaa dhaabdee qilleensumaan shiboo takkittiin ummata san bira daddaayisitee mootummaa namuu bakka san hin ga'u jedhan 4 kiiloo jette 4 kiiloo san geette maruu kufe kunuu galata guddaa qabdaa takka jedhi. Garuu wanni takkaan ani dogoggora jedhee yaadu qeerroo fi qarree yoo salakkisti o'ee ka'e sani akkuma iftee kaaftee daabachisaniin atummaan dhayxee harka keetiin qabbaneessite suni garaasi nyaatu jechuu barbaade fayyaanaa ta'e.
Galatooma Abbaa Kallachaa.
አመሰግናለሁ በጣም Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on the book. Thank you for publishing, for writing, and it's a በሰላማዊ ትግል ብቻ አብይን ሀሳቡን ማስቀየር ይቻላል ወይስ አይቻልም? ካልሆነ ደግሞ armed struggle with use of power ሊኖር ይችላል? Do you have clear vision on that? If so, what does it look like? Related to that, you know that በእርግጥ አብይ በማንኛውም መንገድ ስልጣኑን ለመጠበቅ ቢሞክርም there is a group of people who enable him and some of them are also also Oromo elites, like ወንድማችን አሉላ ቅድም እንዳለው በህወሓት ጊዜ በርግጥ የትግራይ ህዝብ ቀጥተኛ ተጠቃሚ ባይሆንም የህወሓት ኤሊቶች ይጠቀሙና ህዝቡን ይጎዱ እንደነበረ አሁንም አብይን enable የሚያደርግ የኦሮሞ ኤሊት አለና how do you think you can ከነሱ ከአብይ ተነጥለው ይሄን ፕሮሰስ እኛም እንጀምረው ነው የውይይቱን የፖለቲካ ለውጡን እንዴት ሊደግፉ ይችላሉ? You have ideas on that? Thank you.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate this opportunity. Joaram, welcome to DC, and thank you for this opportunity again. Just two quick things. Majamaria organizers, I'm very happy that you guys were able to accommodate us that don't speak Oromiya. Majamaria for a chain of better, like going to be in a better. Gimbal Makumari Targachun, Hulunagata and Katachin as Polonia. Another thing is, when Tinish Karaling in a better, Kadame at the chain of better now, I was expecting more familiar faces that I knew. Non-Oromo Ethiopians that would attend this event, some politicians, some media people. And this side going again, we have a media mago alula, bakat the night and anagum. Geneziga Bangingeta, the Nagoroch and Lamak Arab, Yallo, this Unton Mono, the Silalanas, or some second. Just two questions. What is your hey, this is your day. So, are you going to move back to Ethiopia? Or last I understand you're in Nairobi, and will you be moving back to Ethiopia? And the second question is, if you do, the last time you saw an interview where the elections might not happen, that the country's in the brinks of collapsing on its own, the parties. But if we do make it to the next election, will you be organizing some sort of political? I know you're a part of OFECO, but a more inclusive party that includes other prominent politicians. And that's it for now. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Abolis.
Akamotan, jirtu isin jala isin mara keessaniu Orrooni magaalaa Washington DC kana keessatti argamtan ulfaadhaa guddadhaa warri guyyaadhaa keessattu argamtan hedduu kenna Oromoo ta'uu dadhabnee kan itti cabnee tokko kana rakkoon kenna hedduutu jira rakkoo kenna ibsachuu hin dandeenyu rakkoon kenna nama dhibaa kan jedhu irraa kan ka'e waa dubbachuun barbaade gaafii tokkollee yawaariif nan qaba akkasumas aluulaallee ni agalatuumu አመሰግናለሁ አሉላ ለምስጋናችንም ስላረሳ በጣም እናመሰግናለን እኛ ራሳችን የዛሬ 6 ወር አገር ቤት ነበር አሜሪካ ውስጥ የትኛው አካባቢ ነው ተራራ ያለበት ሽፍታ የሚኖርበት አካባቢ ያለ ቦታ ታውቃላችሁ አሜሪካ ውስጥ የምትኖሩት እኔ አላውቅም በርግጥ እኔ ሽፍታ ሆኜ የዛሬ 6 ወር በተወለድኩበት ከተማ ታስሬ ሽፍታኔ ተብዬ ተቀጥቅጫለሁ ለምን ኦሮሞ ስለሆንኩ ነው የተቀጠቀጥኩት የቀጠቀጠኝም ኦሮሞ ነው ሌላ ብሔረሰብ አይደለም የገደለኝም የሚገልም ኦሮሞ ነው ከዚህም በፊትም የትግራይ ባለስልጣን የበላይ ነው እንጂ ያደረጉት የበታቾቹ ናቸው እኛን ሲገሉ የነበሩት ሲቀጠቅጡንም የነበሩት እውነት መናገር ነው በአሁኑ ጊዜ የሚያዋጣ እኔ ሁሉ ጊዜ የምናገረው ነገር መቼ ነው የብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ፖለቲካ ተቀይሮ አንድ ሆኖ ጀዋሪም ቢሆን ሌላ ብሔረሰብም ቢሆኑ መቼ ነው ተነጋግሮ ህዝቡ ፊት ለፊት ህዝባችንን ምንም የማያውቅ ህዝብ አሳምኖ ወደፊት የሚገፉት ለጀዋር ነው ጥያቄ
ያ ሁለት ጥያቄ ነው ያለኝ አንደኛው ጀዋር እንደተናገርከው ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ የትኛውም አካባቢ ላይ ሰላም እንደሌለ ተናግረሃል እናም ደግሞ ያለው መንግስት በሴኩሪቲ ደረጃ ህዝቡን መጠበቅ እንደማይችል አስረግጠ ነግረናል እኛም የምናውቀው ነው እኔም በተወለድኩበት ባደግኩበት አካባቢ ያለውን ነገር አውቃለሁ በደንብ ግን ምን እንደሆነ ልጠይቅ የፈለኩት በፊት ወያኔ ስልጣን ላይ በነበረበት ጊዜ በሴኩሪቲ በጣም ስትሮንግ ነበር በጣም ስትሮንግ በነበረበትም ታይም ታግለን ያን ለውጥ እንዲመጣ አድርገናል አሁን ያለው መንግስት ግን ምንም አይነት አቋም እንደሌለው አዲስ አበባ ላይ ብቻ እንደፈለገ እያሳየ ሾው እያደረገ የሚኖር መንግስት እንደሆነ ሁላችንም እናውቃለን። ስለዚህ ያለውን አሁን ላይ ያለውን መንግስት ለመጣል ለምንድን ነው ትግል መጀመር ያልፈለግከው? ለምንድን ነው ጀስት በሰላማዊ መንገድ ብቻ እንድንታገል የፈለግከው የሚለውን ጥያቄ ነው መጠየቅ የፈለግኩት። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ደግሞ ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች አሁን ያላቸው ነገር ሁሉም በሚባል ደረጃ ችግር ውስጥ ናቸው። አማራም ሆነ ኦሮሞም ትግራይም አብዛኛው የኢትዮጵያ ክፍል ችግር ውስጥ ነው ያለው። ሁሉም ትግል ውስጥ ገብቷል። ሁሉም በየጫካ ገብቶ እየታገለ ነው። ለምንድን ነው ያንን ትግል ውስጥ ያሉትን ህዝብ አዋቅረ ወደ አንድነት መጥተው በሰላማዊ ትግልም ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም ደግሞ በጦርነትም ሊሆን ይችላል። ጦርነት አላምንም እኔ በበኩሌ አላምንም። በሰላማዊ ታግለን ይህን መንግስት ማውረድ እንችላለን ብዬ አምናለሁ። ስለዚህ ለምንድን ነው ይህንን ህዝብ ወደ አንድነት አምጥተ ትልቅ አጀንዳ ይዘ መጥተ ለምንድን ነው አንድ አድርገን ወደ ትግሉ ማታስገባን? ይሄ ነው ለአንተ ያለኝ ጥያቄ። ቴንክ ዩ።
Hello, I just want to keep it short. I was wondering, like, how do you think peace can be achieved? Is that like overthrowing the government or whatever way that you think is necessary, since peace is the answer in all of this?
Gaafii tokko qabaa galatooma carraa naa kennuu keessaniif gaafiin kiyya.
Sagaleetu murame asirratti dhiifaman of kolchaa deebii Jowaar Mohaammed yeroo kannuuf qofa dhageessan gaafii inni gaafate.
Daan ingisiifadhu keessa obbo Jowaar yeroo hundaa wanna uummanni kun barbaadu osoo hin taane kan dubbatan dhugaa jirtu lafa kaa'ani. Dhugaan jiru immoo ni beekamaa jechuudha. Nutti toluu baatee dhugaa jiru nutti hima. Akkuma beekamu inni lammataa yeroo social media irratti yeroo fayyadamtan akkuma beekamu kaleessa dura xaa'oon biyyatti rabsamaa jira jedhanii bifa social mediaatiin ani yeroo baay'een hordofaa baay'ee saffisuma dhiifama gaafachiifanii jechuun mootummaan kun akka sobaa ta'e ifatti nutti agarsiisaa jiru kallattiidhaan. Inni biraa yeroo tokko konkolaataan biyyi tun ittiin deemaa jirtu qarqara irra geessee jirti. Lukni lama seenee lukni lama duubatti deebi'ee jira jedhee sirriitti ibsee ture. Konkolaataan sun har'a duubatti deebite moo qilee sanitti seentee jirti kan jedhu gaafadha. Galatooma.
Thank you. The last question.
Hi, I want to say thank you for coming. Very appreciative of the book you've written. Unfortunately, it's not in English yet, so I'm not able to read it. But once it comes out, I'll be sure to definitely get a copy. At one point in time, I was the Oromo Youth Association Washington, D.C. president, and I constantly came into our diaspora constantly conforming to different cultures and different communities. While you won't be able to get rid of conforming in general, how do you suggest we have our own identity here in the U.S.? Thank you.
Thank you, Galatoma. Gafi Dr. Baharu Rain Kasa. I think one of the questions is there any position you took that you regret? Or position or decision? Are there decisions that I made that did I make mistakes? Yes, I made a lot of mistakes. But do I regret them? No, because I did it one with pure heart, and I did it after carefully evaluating. If you look at the conclusion part of the book where I reflect overall, what I wanted to do in the book is put things the way I thought at that point. Whether I was in high school, in university, or during the struggle. Then in the conclusion, I try to look back on it. What did I do? Before writing the book, I was kept in Comunicado for about, I think, 2-3 months. During that time, I had an ample opportunity, because the day is long and boring, to look back and watch my life, my decisions, my actions, my speeches in my head. And during this journey, I've made a lot of mistakes. I paid heavy price. I've clashed with a number of people, a number of groups. My conclusion was, yes, there were mistakes. Yes, there was things I said. Probably I could have said it better if I was young, as Yared was saying, if I was a bit older. But given the resources available to me, given the opportunities that were there, I was always weighing my options. Right? I believe if there is 10% chance of succeeding in something, I like to explore it. Also, one jani jiro mo berarti. Also ni betani. Also bamsi sudah kalaniti. Also bila gudang kal lima mal jan. And also njibba. Iro toko wani toko chance in successful ta uisa percentage kate elle uza jirate. Gara full dura demi. Also gara sandemi. Ye chuarin barbanef. I want to explore those options. So there are positions probably. If the resources that are available to me today, when I say knowledge, networks, influence I have today, I could have probably chosen a different path. But given that time, I really don't see anything that I regret. I don't even see anything that I could have done really, really different when it comes to a strategic level. The second question was how much of your positions are informed by president? President? No, I understood it. I understood it. Let me explain my decision process, my thought process. Say I wanted to do certain thing. I go back to my training. I try to assess the field, the political situation, the community situation, the different situations of my side and my opponent's side. I try to make that as fact-based as possible. But, we call politics political science. It's not really science. I don't know what you studied, but it's not really the hard science you can do in library. Social sciences, we add science to it to compete with the doctors and the engineers. But at the end of the day, it's an assumption. You use as much fact as possible, even that fact would be disputed. After I assess that, then I weigh my options. I also weigh my opponent's options. Then I make a decision. That's why I say I don't regret, because I almost always spend significant time thinking, and writing. Then reading again, then I move. Would my assessment be wrong? Yeah. Could it be lead to undesired outcome? Yeah. But for me, the most important is I don't want to miss the step, the process. Based on that, in politics, I study the Oromo history, the Ethiopian history. I study global politics. I base my decision based on that. In the book, you can see, for example, Gafa Hirira Baratota Goratorre Dargoto Wajjin. I don't know if you guys understand. Remember, child was, I think, a baby. Who was there? Abdi was there, Bona probably. We had this rally in Minnesota. We had a rally here in DC during IOIA. We became popular. So we organized this 10,000 march, 10,000 man march in Minnesota. A lot of people came. And I had a cold. My voice was not there. A lot of people came, and when I came on the stage, by then I have become popular. I was on Paltalk, I was writing, and also a lot of people were cheering. And I saw hope in people's eye, and I got terrified because I was not prepared. I quit activism. I left the youth organization. I went to Oxford. I spent 6 months studying medieval Ethiopian history. That's when I read Kabranagast, Patanagast, all that. Because today's political thought, conversation, narrative in Ethiopia are highly influenced by what happened in the second half of the millennium, the second millennium. So I try to explore as much as possible. Yes, it's influenced by global politics. Even now, for example, the threats and opportunities we have today are different from that back in the day. Let alone during your time, even during my time, if you take the global and regional stuff. Regionally, back in the day, during OLF days, or during TPLF or APLF days, You can run to Somalia and Sudan and wage armed struggle. Right? Today, Sudan is no more. Somalia is no more. Even the Arab countries are no more. Back in the day, it was the Cold War. Right? You have the two superpowers competing. One side supports you, the other one fights you. Today, we have one superpower in decline, another superpower coming, but it has not reached yet. So that affects us. But this has also created an opportunity for middle powers. Who would have thought the Emirates, Turkey, Qatar would become such a decisive, if you ask me, 6 years ago, 8 years ago, that Emirates would be a decisive factor in Ethiopian domestic politics, I would have called you crazy because they didn't exist. So I try to base my decisions on past and present as much as possible. Yarsi banka lacha ka dubbate banka lacha dullom numa dullom sa gaafi fi waloloni waan gaarii kaafte banka lacha qabsoon tun zama mangistuu no aysan irraa kaatee kanaaf interest godha akkaataan itti gaafiin ka waddaa ta'u malee dargaggoonni biyya sanii bara sanirraa kaasanii walqixxummaan dimokiraasiin akka dhufuuf aarsaan kafalame guddaadha. Keessattuu dhaloota kiyyaa fi ijoolleen booda wanni himuu barbaadu dhakaarratti magarree nu barra dhiiga namarra magarree qabsoon nuti halkan tokko kaafneef hin jiru. Sochii mangistuu fi girmaameen sun asii baratanii girmaameen asii baratee paartikulaarii ideoloogii ture inni asii deebi'ee kaase. Santu booda sochii barattoota kaase. Sochii barattootaatu abaa of TPLF kana dhalche. Kanaatu federaalizimii fide. Federalizimiitu qubee dhaloota dhalche. Dhaloota qubee dhalche. Dhaloota qubeetitu jijjiiran fide. So all this time I think barbaachisaadha. Dubbiin biraa waan jaarsi kun jee rabbi jedhaa dhagaya. Oromoon olaantummaas gadaantummaas hin barbaadu. This should be our slogan. Nuti waan aadaan keenya afaan keenya cunqurfameef waan biyyi keenya qeen teenya saamamteef qabsoo seenne walqixxummaadhaaf we fought for fairness, for equality, for equity, for justice. Bara tokko murni Amaara keessaa bahe afaan Amaaraa dubbata nu cunqursaa ture irra qabsoo itti aansee murni Tigraay keessaa bahe maka dargaggoota Tigree dhiiga dargaggoota Tigreetiin dhufee aangoo qabatee nu cunqursaa ture irra qabsoo har'a immoo ka dhiiga keenyaan ol bahe nullee cunqurseet ormallee cunqursa. That's why we must say not in my name. Oromotti amantadaya. If you really value the sacrifice our people paid over the last 50, 60 years, if you believe that sacrifice was for a just cause, if you believe it's for equality, freedom, and justice, do not tolerate, do not allow anybody to oppress, to kill others in your name. No. አንድ ወንድሜ ቅድም የሆነ ጥያቄ አንስቷል እዚህ ጋር የሆነ ነገር ሲናገር ነበር። በኃይለ ሥላሴ ጊዜ ወንበዴ እየተባልን ስንገደል ነበር። በደርግ ጊዜ ሰርጎ እየተባለ እንገደል፣ በወያኔ ጊዜ አሸባሪ፣ ዛሬ ደግሞ ሸኔ እያልን እንገደላለን። እኛ ብቻ ግን አይደለንም። ትግራይን ጁንታ ብለው ነው የጨረሱት። ዛሬ አማራን ፋኖ ብለው እየጨረሱት ነው። We must say injustice even to our worst adversary should not be tolerated. እነዚህ ስሞች dehumanization ነው. You know the 4 Ds I always talk about. You dehumanize people. namummaa irraa mulqita dura. namummaa irraa milqitee gaafa faannoo ta'e seexana ta'a, gaafa shanee ta'e seexana ta'a, gaafa juuntaa ta'e seexana ta'a. እስቲ ስንቶቻችሁ ናችሁ ጌታቸው ረዳ ጁንታ በሚል ጌታቸው ረዳ ሰው መሆኑ ቀርቶ ሰይጣን እኮ የመሰለው ማሰው ነበረ። a cool guy we know እንዴ it is ዛሬም ቢሆን it is very important በስልጣን ላይ ያሉ ኃይሎች እኔም ልሁን ማንም ይሁን ስልጣን ላይ ያለ ሰው አንድም ቡድን ፈርጆ ወደ ማጥቃት ሲሄድ ለምን አሁን የጀመርኩት አንዱ የጀመርኩበት ዘመቻ አዝማሚያውን ነው from አብይ በእኛ ደም ስልጣን ላይ መጣ 2018 2019 he was hardcore ኦሮሞ ናሽናሊስት ሲያየው ንጉስ ሊሆን የሚፈቅድለት የፖለቲካ አስተሳሰብም የለም ተግዳዳሪ ደግሞ በዛበት ኦሮሞ ካምፕ ውስጥ እንደ ድርጅት ኦነግ አለ ኦፌኮ አለ እንደ ግለሰብ ነው ያለው ለማ አለ he switched ኢትዮጵያ እየዘፈነ የአማራ ወንድሞቻችንን አሰልፎ እኛን መጣ ቀጥሎ ትግራይ መጣ አሁን ደግሞ ሃርድኮር ኦሮሞ ናሽናሊስት ራሱን አስመስሎ አማራ መምጣት ይፈልጋል ኖ እኛና አማራ ልዩነት አለን yes እኛና የትግራይ ለይቃን ታግለናል ተዋክተናል yes but we fought to create a more just more equal society እንጂ በእኛ ስም አንድ ማህበረሰብ እንዲጨቆን አይደለም ይሄ ስል በማንኛውም ስም የሚንቀሳቀሰው ኃይል የሚያስከፋ የሚያናድድ ወይም አደገኛውን አካሄድ የለውም ማለት አይደለም but it is a state that has become a breeding ground of extremism እና ወኔ አመጃር ሲጄ ሽማግሌ ምንድን ነው ያለው እኛ የበላይነትም የበታችነትም አንፈልግም እንደ ኦሮሞ ነው ያለው እንደ ኦሮሞ የበላይነትም የበታችነትም መጨቆንም መጨቆንም ጨጠንክሮም ላልቶም አንፈልገውም እኩልነትና ፍትሃዊነትን ነው እንፈልገው that's why Oromos should be the loudest voice against Abiy loudest voice kadurre tesani ruban sida bra amma kaysumni adurre ne so bosona qabu amma barrakoni esumni bakalachu jira bosona jira beta mangistis jira this is serious hare alal woni kun oromo da nu dur bosono turre bosono mai jari salagan nu diba nutis asi dakat darbina amma droni ilma mardasa dukhasa kilashi marro diriba dukhasa tragedy dai chulo that's why kanaho kawlit dukhasi wen abi Tanzania tuan ini gode arara wabofi arara TPLF fi motummas adda durumman jenalota tu gode adda durumman dibba jaratin hoji jaratin jaranole gamalachu ka jolle wabo jingo dames adda durumman jenalota tu gode dubarra kadigemo abi inni fi lolu takkas lolen beko ilmo nama ibiddan naqee fichisiisa jechuudha ዱጋዩ ዱበኔ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ዛሬ ሰላም ከመከላከያ ከወታደሮች የበለጠ ይፈልግ የለም አሁን እኮ ሲብስባቸው ወጥተው መናገር ጀመሩ ትግራይ ውስጥ ሰላም የመጣው የውጪ ጫና እንዳለ ሆኖ በከፍተኛ ደረጃ ጀነራሎቹ ናቸው ያመጡት የትግራይ ጀነራሎችና የኢትዮጵያ መከላከያ ጀነራሎች ናቸው እነሱ ኖ ማለታቸው ነው ነገሮችን ያመጣው ማን ነው መጀመሪያ ሲሸልስ ሄደው because closely ስለማውቀው ነው ዛሬ ጦርነትን የማያቅ ብቻ ነው ጦርነት የማይፈጀው ብቻ ነው ጦርነት ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ፈልገው ስለዚህ በከለማታቴቲ ነው ዲደየቹ ኤኝ ወሊን ጅርታ ከጀተ ፊ ካፋ ወዳ ወልቀበቴ ማሊን አሁን ደውጂን እንጀራ አከይኒ ካፋውቲስ ቶኩማ ኦሮሞ ስነ ፌደራላ ፊ ቶኩማ ኢትዮጵያ ተከታቴ ከስነ ፌደራላቲን ቡልቱ በርባዳ ዲሞክራታው ከታቴ I practice that principle Garu I don't see myself just as an opposition as an intellectual as an influential person I reach across the board sabota birat ko hoson tain I also reach to people within the government only lalina ዛሬ መንግስት ውስጥ ያሉ ሰዎች በሙሉ ባንድነት በጥላትነት አትዩዋቸው ከናንተ የበለጠ የሚቆጩ ከናንተ የበለጠ የሚያንገበግባቸው በየቀኑ የሚሆነውን የሀገር ውድቀት ድቀት የህዝብ እልቀት እንቅልፍ የነሳቸው ለማበድ የተቃረቡ ጀነራሎች አሉ ሚኒስትሮች አሉ ዳይሬክተሮች አሉ ሶ እኔ ለዛ ነው ስርዓቱን በሙሉ በጭፍን ወደ ማጥላላት ከመሄድ ይልቅ ነጥሎ የጥፋት ምንጭ የሆኑትን ከጥፋት መመለስ የማይችሉት ላይ ማነጣጠሩ አስፈላጊ ነው ብዬ የማስበው። namichi si jeesa gaafa maal jette ana qofaan hin beeku namoonni akkas jaa maal jettan ka waan qocaan jeeni saniin jeen qocaan waan jedhe beektanii bineensa walga'e jan dur bineensi walga'ee godhan qocaan suuta deemaami qocaan kun yeroo hunda nutti horraasisaa maal haa goonu jennaan ni jeefna jedhanii walii galan illeetti nakkaataariidha kaatee dhayite timte itti himnaani qocaa sitti murteessan jeen eenyu fakkee jira leenci jira qeerransi jira waraaboo jira hunda timte rabbi keessa jira jeen hin jiru jennaan egaa rabbi jiraatin keessa jiraatin dhiisi jeeni rabbiin dhakaasan kenneefi gaafa jarra jeesuu dhufu inni keessa dhokate jechuudha. Akkasumaan jeen kaan kitaaba irratti arguu dandeessan. One question from our Olaita brother is Abiy is bent on keeping his power by any means. You know, power is an illusion. Power is a result of obedience by the public. Right? Obedience by the public. Why do people, oblige to authoritarian rulers? Fear, hopelessness, disunity, lack of alternative, and so on and so forth. Abiy presides over the weakest regime in Ethiopian history. The weakest. Why does he survive, Why is he still in power? Because people are scared of the alternative. You see, people had so much hope in 2018. People didn't like the authoritarian TPLF EPRDF government. They wanted democracy. They wanted better. They wanted freedom. EPRDF, to be fair, the Ethiopian state was secure. People were secure. The state was the only violent entity. People by nature, they aspire for freedom, but they cherish security. They want to add freedom on top of security. ገንፎ አላል ሰው ገንፎ ሲኖር ቅቤ ይፈልጋል። ቆሪው ተሰብሮ ገንፎ አፈር ውስጥ የሚገባ ከሆነ ቅቤ ሲጨምርበት ገንፎውን የሚደፋው ከሆነ ግን አይፈልግም። ምክንያቱም አትሊስት ገንፎውን ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ሆነ በማንኛውም ዓለም ሰው ሰላምን ይፈልጋል። በሰላም ላይ ግን ነፃነትን ይፈልጋል። ለነፃነት የሚደረገው ሂደት ሰላሙን ከልክ በላይ የሚያናጋው ደህንነቱን የሚያናጋው ከሆነ ሪትሪት ያደርጋል። ከ2018 በኋላ 2018 ላይ ከፍተኛ ተስፋ ነበረ ነፃነት ለመጎናጸፍ በሰላሙ ላይ ነፃነት ለመጎናጸፍ። አሁን ሰላሙን ሲያጣ የባሰ አታምጣ ሽማግሌው እንዳለው የባሰ አታምጣ የሚል ውስጥ ገባ ማለት ነው። ሲያይ ደግሞ አልተርኔቲቭም እያየ አይደለም። ጥያቄው ለህዝቡ መሆን ያለበት is keeping Abiy on the current path would it lead us to a better stability or would it make things worse? Ethiopia will go three ways from now on, possible, potentially. One is what Abiy and some of his circles say, which is we just have to keep killing, then people will give up. We will restore authoritarian system. We will, Abiy will be crowned president. That is building a new authoritarian system. The second option is what we aspire, going back to the democratic path. The third option is to do nothing and just watch Abiy, which we move from authoritarian system into anarchy. We will end up in total anarchy. Ethiopia is a failed state, but it hasn't totally collapsed. It hasn't disintegrated yet. If we let Abiy play with Ethiopia as if it's a toy, and ለህፃን ዕቃ እንደመስጠት ነው ሰባብሮ ነው የሚጨርሰው. He will continue banging it. So we have option. I myself, everybody tried to you know, ምንድነው ያለው የሾፌሩ ጉዳይ ልጅ ያነሳው ገደል ላይ ስለነበረች አፋፍ ላይ እስቲ ተወት እናርገውና እድል እንስጠው ሪቨርስ እንዲያደርግ. The guy continued driving it. Will he reverse? No. Will he even hit the brake? He hit the brake. Pretoria ላይ he hit the brake briefly. ትንሽ ነገሮች ቀለል ሲሉለት he stepped on the gas. So the alternative is worse. We must force him, not only him, the system, first and foremost to stop war. Abiy ጦርነት እንዲያቆም መገደድ አለበት. ጦርነት አቢይ ጦርነት ካቆመ ካላቆመ ለአቢይ ተብሎ ለአንድ ሰው ተብሎ የህዝባችን መከራ የህዝባችን መፍረስ መበታተን ማየት ስለሌለብን we have to look for alternative without him. Look, the discussion I want Ethiopians to have is removing Abiy is not that complicated. It's not complicated. The reason everybody is watching is what then? Kazas. That's why I want people to discuss about post-Abiy Ethiopia. What kind of political system? What kind of situation we want to create? We are getting there now. You know, what is sobering for Ethiopians? 2018 እስከ 2022 ኢትዮጵያ ኮሌክቲቭሊ ነበር ያበን ነው ማለት ይቻላል. We are in some sort of collective psychosis. ሰዎች እኮ do you guys go back and watch some of those videos? It is terrifying what our people አውሬን ይሆን ነው. We became so pro-war. Then war came home. The wars in the past were fought either in Eritrean desert, Ogaden desert, Bale, Hararge, Sudan border in Begi. Today wars are fought everywhere in most densely populated areas. Days has reached everybody's home. Kidnapping has reached everybody's home. This has humbled the Ethiopian people. It has humbled the Ethiopian elites. I think now the Ethiopian elite, political elites have sobered down. ጥራዝ ይዞ መሮጡ ሰው መደማመጥ ጀምሯል. ሰው እየሳክኗል ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ. ሜቢ አብይና አንድ ሁለት ሰው ይሆኑ ነው. ሰው ሳክኗል. ጫካ ያሉት ልጆች ያቸው ሰክነዋል. ትግራይ ውስጥ አሁን እየተደረገ ያለው ውጥረት የዛሬ 5 ዓመት ቢሆን ኦሬዲ ጦርነት መጫረስ ጀምረው ነበር. ጦርነት it has sobered us. We have learned the hard way the limits of violence, the danger and limits of violence. So I think opportunity has come. And this is what threatens Abiy, when people sober down and discuss. About the Oromo elites. Are there Oromo elites benefiting from the system? Absolutely. Oh, the core OPDO elites have replaced TPLF. Are they benefiting? As oligarchy being created? Yes. But also don't forget, Abiy created oligarchies in every region. He has created oligarchies everywhere. His representatives in every region who suck the blood of their own people. አሁን እኮ ስልጣን ላይ ያለው ቡድን የዘራፊዎች የቀማኛዎች ቡድን እኮ ነው። የሚገርም ነገር እኮ ነው። I don't know how to explain it. ህዋቶች ይዘርፉ ነበር፣ ሌቦች ነበሩ፣ ምንም ጥያቄ የለውም። ግን አይን አውጣ አልነበሩም እንደነኚህ። ይሄ ግን ኦሮሞዎቹ ብቻ አይደሉም ጓዶች። go to ጉራጌ ዞን ምንድን ነው የምታገኘው? go to ወላይታ what do you find? go to ሲዳማ አሁን እኮ ትግራይ ውስጥ ያለ ለማመስረት እየሞከረ እኮ ነው። that's what ረብሻ የፈጠረው። so his entire philosophy ሁሌ እኮ ምን ይለን ነበር? የሰው ልጅ ማንኛውም ሰው ከገንዘብና ከስልጣን አያልፍም። the difference is the price. but the basic የሆነ ኤርፖርት መገዛው መጽሐፍ ላይ የሚጻፉ ነገሮች አሉ አይደል? he had that view, so he has created in every community. so but ብራግ ለማድረግ ሳይሆን መጀመሪያ የአብይን አካሄድ እምቢ ያለው ኦሮሞ ነው ከማንም በፊት። ዛሬም ቢሆን የሚያጨበጭብለት ኦሮሞ የለም። ተወሰኑ አካባቢ ያሉ ናቸው እንጂ we fought ቅድም አንተ እንዳልከው አሉላ እንዳለው during the Tigray war the Oromos was the loudest voice. I want Oromos to be the loudest voice even now for what's happening in Amhara region. That is morally responsible. so are there groups who benefit? yes. ኦሮሞ እኮ ጓዶች ይዘኑልን በሁለት እኮ የተጎዳ ነው። አንዱ ጦርነት እኛ ጋር ከተጀመረ 6 አመቱ ነው። war started right away. this guy killed more Oromos than any of the previous regimes combined. ኦሮሚያ ውስጥ ያለው የጭቆና ብዛት አይነት ጥልቀትና አስጠሊነት ያሳፍራል ለመናገር። የግድያው አይነት እኮ ኦሮሚያ ውስጥ ጓዶች የግድያው አይነት የአቢዩዙ አይነት ሶ በአንድ ወገን እንዲህ አቢዩዝ ይደረጋል ህዝባችን፣ በሌላ ግን በእኛ ስም በየተለያዩ ክልል ይጨቁናል። እናንተ ደግሞ ይሄ ኦሮሞ መንግስት እያላችሁ ትረግሙናላችሁ። we got screwed from both sides, you know. so that's why ኦሮሞም ለሌላው ማህበረሰብ ሲምፓቲ ይኖር፣ እናንተም ለኛ ሲምፓቲ ይኖራችሁ because we are suffering both. ፈጠን አድርገው ከሌሎች ጋር ተጣምረህ ለምን አሰራም? ሰራለሁ፣ እየሰራውም ነው። my job, my skills is to analyze, to agitate, to encourage, to create space. ሰው እኮ አድቫንቴጅ ጥንካሬውን ማየት አለበት። I create space. ያን ስፔስ ተጠቀሙበት፣ ተጠቀሙብኝ ነው። when I went to Ethiopia ያ ነው አንዱ ስለ ነበረው ያለኝን ልምድ ያለኝን ትምህርት ማንንም ለማካፈል ሬዲ ነኝ፣ ከማንም ጋር ለመተባበር ሬዲ ነኝ። because እዛ ሀገር ውስጥ ሁሉም ካልተባበረ በስተቀር አብይ ከህዋት ጋር መፋጠጥ ሲጀምር ብዙ ሰው ጦርነቱ ትግራይ ላይ የሚቀር ነው የመሰለው። it destroyed the whole country. therefore መተባበር ግዴታ ነው። I explained how peace can be achieved. The first thing is to reach a consensus on primacy and priority of peace. That is very important. Then we exert a unified pressure. አብይ በጸሎትም ሆነ በሌላ ነገር ተስተካክሎ ሰላም ካመጣ አመጣ፣ ካልሆነ ግን አብረውት ያሉት ሰዎች አብረው ገደል ከመግባትና ሀገር የሚይዘው ገደል ከመግባት መፍትሄ ማምጣት፣ ያ ካልሆነ ግን ህዝባችንን አስተባብረን ህዝባችንና ሀገራችንን እናድናለን። ጋፊን ዱመረ ነጋፈተን ወይ ነሞተ ጋፈ ቀሮ አጀፈማ ነመ ፊጣቱረን you see we try to do what we thought was better. ወደ ጦርነት እንዳንገባ ነው የፈራነው። ያኔም የእርስ በርስ ጦርነቱ እንዳንገባ ስለፈራን ሰው ሲገሉ የነበሩ ሰው ሲዘርፉ የነበሩ ካድሬዎችን፣ ፖሊሶችን፣ ወታደሮችን step by step we want a transition, in that transition transitional justice and peace and reconciliation. Without transition there can be no transitional justice, without transitional justice there can be no reconciliation. That's what Tigray is learning the hard way. Transition ካልመጣ በተለይ ደግሞ በሀገር ደረጃ ትራንዚሽን ካልመጣ ድረስ ትራንዚሽናል ጀስቲስ ሊመጣ አይችልም። ትራንዚሽናል ጀስቲስ ካልመጣ ድረስ ደግሞ ሪኮንሲሊየሽን እርቅ ሊመጣ አይችልም። እርቅ እስካልመጣ ድረስ ሀገር ወደፊት ማምጣት kabbaanu. Kanaaf obboleessa kiyya nu yoo gaafsan ka barbaanne warra sirna keessa jiru kana kan nama fixaa ture kana ni adabna jennee akka itti deemu taate cichaniiti nu dura dhaabatan. Kanaafuu tokko kan lammaffaa ce'umsi gaafa dhufe namoonni transitional justice bifa jedhamuun hayxii baate kamiidhee adabamee kamiidhame wal'aanamee san booda araarri akka biyyaatti bu'ee san booda deemnadha. Amma bar waan na yaachisu maal akka ta'e beektanii miidhaan Oromiyaa keessatti baroota dabre kana akka ta'e amma dhiyoo kana namoonni dhufanii turan gaafa biyya dhaqe jaarsonni maal laan jaan akkamatti araaramne qe'ee jiraannadha. Nama wal ficciisanii bar abbaan milishaa ilmi waboo yoo ijoolleen nama tokko achii ajjeefte waraana keessatti dhufanii maatii sana ajjeesan. Namni keenya dhiiga wal dibe akka malee. It's going to be very difficult. I don't want to lie to you. The future reconciliation madaa nuti walirra uumne kana fayyisuun waan lafaan ta'u hojii guddaa gaafata. Garuu immoo sanuu dhaquudhaaf immoo dura dhiigni hogga dhaabatee booda maal goota? Faashaa itti hiita. Dhiiga hoggaa fayyee godaannisa hafe godaannisa san amma gaakimoonni jirtanii sarjariidhaan fayyisuu dandeenya. Ati godaannisa akkami fayyifna kanaan jechaa jirtu. An maaliif jechaa jira? Mee dhiiga haa dhaabnu. Amma dhiiga haa dhaabnu. Dhiiga naqamu. Dhiigni haa rajjiguun haa dhaabbatu. Because that will be important for the life. Then we can take step by step towards curing, towards repairing the damage. The question, because the young man asked me about how to promote our identity. I want to be very honest, and I always say this in a Afaan Oromoo. I want you to hear it. People can have multiple identities. You are an Oromo, now you are in America. Take the best of Oromo culture, not everything. Take the best of it. For example, we always go to meeting late. Don't take that part of us. Take the best of Oromo culture and values, and also take the best of American culture and values. Combine it so that you become a good Oromo American. So completely rejecting the culture of the society that we reside among is counterproductive. Also, in Ethiopia, eventually what we aspire, Oromos have their culture, Wolaitas have their culture, we don't want it to remain segregated. We want cultural integration. Eventually, voluntary cultural integration that's promoted through commerce, through social ties, through social engineering, through democratization. Eventually, we can have sub-Wolaita culture, but also a pan-Ethiopian culture that's a mosaic, multicultural Ethiopia. We can create something down the road. Not during our lifetime, probably down the road. So, I wish I can elaborate more, but we don't have the time. Oromo, hedduu galatooma. Wanni ani isin dhaamu ba'aan amma nuti keessa jirru, rakkoon nuti amma keessa jirru, ba'aa Oromiyaatis ba'aa Itoophiyaatis irraa qabna. Kana beekuun tokko. If qofaaf osoo hin ta'in maqaa keenya yakki dalagamaa waan jiruuf rakkoo uummata biraa furuuf illee dirqama qabna. Keessattuu obsa naa qabaadhaa. Atakaaroo falmii dur goonu san wal jidduutti isaa irrattu dibeet naa jiraatu constructive bifa ta'e. Garuu wal morkiin walitti iyyuun rogeeyyii saboota biraa wajjin godhamu hirrachuudha qaba. Wal jidduutti walii obsuu, wal danda'uu, community keessan cimsuu, charchi keessan cimsuu, masgida keessan cimsuu, dalagachuu, wal gargaaruun cimuudha qaba. Challenging nuti fuuldura jiru guddaa. We probably have 2018. We probably have 50% chance of creating a better future. This guy has reduced it probably to 10%, but I don't want to give up on 10% because if we work hard, smart, if we wise up, we can increase that chance to 20, 30, 40. Just by stopping the war, we can increase our odds to 30-40%. Just by stopping the war. Because we stop the bleeding. The first thing you do is stop the bleeding. If we stop the bleeding, you will have a chance for exploring different medications. So let's focus on stopping the bleeding. Then we will have an opportunity to find a different specialist, to airlift our country to, other hospitals. We will have more opportunities. ሌሎች ስለመጣችሁ በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ። ሀገራችን ህዝባችን ችግር ውስጥ ነው ያለው። የመጀመሪያው ስራ አንደኛ አዲስ ጦርነት እንዳይቀሰቀስ፣ ከማንም ጋር አዲስ ጦርነት እንዳይቀሰቀስ፣ ያሉ ጦርነቶች እንዲቆሙ፣ ሁሉም በየፊናው የፖለቲካ መሪዎች እኮ የጦርነት ማገዶ እኮ እኛ ነን፣ ህዝብ ነው ማገዶ እንዳንሆን። ሰዎች እሳት የሚለኩሱት ሰንበሌጡ ከደረቀ ነው። የህዝብ ከተከፋፈለ፣ ህዝብ ካልተነጋገረ፣ ኢንፎርሜሽን ፍሎ ከሌለ የደረቀ ሰንበሌጥ ነው የሚሆነው። የደረቀ ሰንበሌጥ ደግሞ ለአርሰኒስት ይመቻል። ስለዚህ አክቲቪስቶቻችን፣ ምሁራኖቻችን ሰንበሌጡን የማራስ ስራ፣ ሰንበሌጡን እንዳይደርቅ የመከላከል፣ ከደረቀ ደግሞ ውሃ ጠጥቶ የማራስ what do I mean by that? በብሔሮች መካከል፣ በጎሳዎች መካከል፣ በሃይማኖቶች መካከል፣ በክልሎች መካከል የኢንፎርሜሽን ፍሎ እንዲኖር፣ ሚስ ኢንፎርሜሽን ተጠቅመው የባሰ ሰንበሌጡን እንዳያደርቁና ህዝባችን እንደማገዶ እንዳይጠቀሙት ማድረግ አስፈላጊ ነው። እኔ በበኩሌ አይ ቲንክ ከብዙ ሰው ከፍ ያለ ቧንቧ ነው ያለኝ። ፌስቡክ ላይ አይ ቲንክ አይ ሃቭ 2.5 ሚሊዮን ሚዲያዎች ተሰሚነቴን ተጠቅሜ በተቻለኝ መጠን የኢትዮጵያ ህዝብ የደረቀ ጫካ እንዳይሆን፣ አብይ በየቦታው የሚያቃጥለው እድል እንዳይኖረው ማርከፈከፉን ቀጥልበታለሁ። እርዱኝ፣ እንረዳዳ። በጣም ወዳችኋለሁ። ደህና ደሩልኝ። ነጋምቡላ